in today's tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable USB devices permissions on your Brave web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Brave and then select the hamburger icon up at the top right. Go down and select Settings near the bottom of this list. And then on the left side, select Privacy and Security. Select Site and Shield Settings underneath Privacy and Security. And then underneath permissions, select additional permissions, expand that, and then there should be something in here that says USB devices. Go ahead and select that. So you can prevent sites from connecting to USB devices by selecting the don't allow sites to connect to USB device option, or you can select the first option, which sites will be able to ask to connect to USB devices. Make your selection, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.